Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick here with Raw Day Trading. Let's get into today's trades. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and it has been the most wild, annoying day. Weird day, actually. I think weird day. The price action was just super weird. It seemed very thin, very wild, very up and down. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. And on top of that, could be because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I was kind of tossing and turning in bed at the right time, but maybe had a little bit too much cold brew later into the morning yesterday. And I just felt funny. I remember laying in bed and checking my heart rate, and it was 80 beats per minute, and this was at like 10:30 at night. And I was just like, what is going on? Maybe too much salt or something? I don't know. Anyways, let's get the fuck into it. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys had a great day. It is... So today I'm sitting down $40 after fees. Not crazy, but at one point early in the morning, I'm going to show you here, I was down a good amount. Okay, so I'm going to do something a little bit different. You're not going to be able to see this on the chart, but you will be able to see this on the level 2 and the order window. And so this screen right here is the order window I was working on. This is TNON. It's a $7 stock. It moves quite a bit. I was looking for 780. 780 was the level. It looked like it started making a move up, and I got in on a slight pullback from it with decent size. It was 2,000 shares, and yeah, we'll show you how it goes. Yeah. I just rearranged the screen, but I'm watching my GRR trades, which were annoying. The bid and the ask just kept going around pretty wildly, and I kept mistiming it, so it would look like I won, and then I lost. Okay, so this TNON pops up from 7 to 742. Where do I get trapped here? Let's find it. I'm waiting for my spot to get in. I buy. I get in at 7.7. Wow, what happened there? Okay, so 750 it taps. I wait for the pullback very patiently. I get filled at the absolute lows of this spread, which is crazy. It's nice. I hold for a second, but it's going against me. Like the market makers want to take the stock down. They didn't want to fill anyone higher. I mean, maybe they did. But wow, look at that. I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta cut it. Okay, so $7.70 to $7 with a couple thousand shares. Not the most fun I've had in the past couple weeks, but it's not terrible. Down 415 with that in my other trades today. But it's like holding above where I exited, and I was like, what the fuck? I thought you were about to fail. And then I get back in. I get a decent fill. 710 basically, and I hold. Looks sketchy for a second. It's like once they take in a new trade, they have to weight it or like push it against it. And then I cut it up there at 28. Wow. And that actually puts me green on that stock, and then I'm flat on the day at 38. which ironically enough is where I end the day, although I take a couple excursions green and a couple excursions red, but I never really get outside of this flat level again by any more than $100. Okay, let me rearrange the screen here because I don't trade GRRR anymore. Actually, we can watch the remaining action. Nice run up. All right, and as TNON is showing its dominance, and MNPR, which I can actually rewind this and show you what happened earlier, is showing its weakness. I change the focus of the day. All right. Yeah, MNPR out the open, doesn't do much. And then I'm actually trading GRR quite a bit here. Nice. I get that second. That secondary dip was nice. Yeah, I think I could have done better with, because today was so loose, doing a little bit more market making, as in just buying the bid and selling the ask instead of trying to make these snap judgments buying market. because the bids were very loosey-goosey. Oh, okay. That's unfortunate. So GRRR, it's annoying little shit. Actually, I was up $200 at one point. Okay. This is why today was funky. So I get in, and I don't have this chart recorded, but GRR is this side now. I get in, and instantly goes in my favor. I don't take that profit up there. I wait till it gets down there. Oh no, I get filled at 88. I take that back. But then I jump right back in at 95 and jump out for a loss. Then jump back in at 98, then jump out at 96. And then I jump in way high up there. I'm just like, oh, fuck. Yeah, and then this one was order held for no reason. Tried to exit level 2, only messed up trades on it. So this has happened to me before when I have a large chunk. Careful with this too, by the way. If you're throwing through large orders and you're doing it very quickly, I think what happened here is I bought, and then before it totally got filled, I hit the sell all my position button, not the sell market button, or not the sell just for the same amount. It was just sell whatever I had because that's my hotkey. And it sold only what I had filled, and so I ended up with a lingering position. Okay, so I'm here. Pops up to 408. Yeah, and then I do that, and then it's just like there's 1,000 shares just dingling around. Yeah. Okay, so 651 GP practice, and so that was about the day. I'm gonna leave this video right now because I have to go to the bathroom, and it is not the quick kind. But yeah, that was the majority of what I had going on. I ended up down to 250, 280 on GRR. T-Non I was about just slightly green on, and MNPR nothing, and there were some other runners throughout the day that I did not take advantage of because I did not like the action. The overall market was weird. I even have a note that slow AM overall. The market is waiting. ... Waiting for what? I don't know. And then my notes pre-game this morning were MNPR is a trash trader. Plus, it is holding too long sideways. I think maybe a gap fade, which it did. SMFL not amused, probably a short. It ended up doing. It had some bids, but it didn't do that well. GRRR focus target 485. I actually wonder if it got there. GRRR. It got to 418 as the high. I wanted it a little bit higher, maybe even up to this line up here, but it didn't get there. And the way I was fighting against this, the way I was trading was a little bit aggressive and not taking into consideration the spreads and the liquidity of it. And so I kind of messed up a okay opportunity. I had decent reads on it. It was just execution of it wasn't that great. And then BKYI, I ended up making $100 or so on it. But this was the funniest, like just creep up crap act. I mean, not crap, just it was just this type of action where it wasn't crazy high volume and then it would flush way lower. Yeah. GV, funny moves in the day. OBLG did not touch. And then that was it. That was the day. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you all on the next video tomorrow. It is Friday, so get your rest, and I will catch you all there. Remember, day trading is risky. This is not investment advice. I'm not your investment advisor. Most traders lose some or all of their money. I've been doing this for a long time, and I spent a lot of time doing it. And so, you know, you can also lose time, but you can be doing other shit. So I don't recommend day trading really, but make your own choices. Be an adult. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace.